Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about Git and GitHub. This is a foundation series of our AI engineering journey. So let's take a scenario. Let's you are working on a project and you write 500 lines. So yesterday you are working on today you are you are today you have write some other and start the application. Somehow the application crashes. So so without Git, what will do? You have to manually correct your mistakes, earlier mistakes, and fix your previous mistakes. Also, let's just create a scenario. Uh, uh, let's you and your friend work on a project. Let's suppose you working on the login part and your friend working on the dashboard part. When they both you merge to when you both code merge together, it might be possible that both the code crashes. So so in a large project, basically, let it read in the PPT. When a project become larger, the problem become more common. Okay. Basically, we need to track every change, restore previous version, and allow multiple developers to work together. Also, basically this is exactly what Git was used. Git was created for. Okay. If we want to change every if we want to so what's used for the GitHub then? So basically, if you want to store our Git project online, so and collaborate with other, we use the GitHub. So so let's talk about Git and GitHub, a tool that track everything in your projects, every changes, for example, fixing bug, adding new features, etc. Basically, think Git is a time machine project. You can correlate with this. Uh, GitHub is a cloud-based platform that store Git repositories online. Think GitHub is a Google Drive of your code. Start. Let's set up our Git in our machine. To download Git, just go to the Google Chrome. Click here. It will automatically download. It will take few times. Once it is downloaded, you can click next, click it will automatically download. It is very easy process. So how to check your Git is configured or not? Open the terminal. Type Git and list of commands come. That means your Git is installed. So we are look at some important concepts of Git. So first are repository. So GitHub repository is the where your project main files and Git history are stored. Now let's talk about commit. Start. So commit is a snapshot of a project and at any point of time. It's a separate line of development where you can work on your part without disturbing the main line. Next is the main branch. The main branch is the branch of the repository which carry production ready code. Basically, the stable production ready stable code. Let's start the practical demo of Git. Let's create a folder first. Let's name it test project 2. let's open it on VS Code. Since it is open on VS Code, you can that since it is open, let's open the terminal. Now let's I have to teach some basic commands of Git. So how we know Git initialize or not? It's not tracking our file yet. Let's create a test file. Let's write a function of some, okay, just like print hello. Right now it's not initialized yet, so first we have to initialize git init command. This, so we have to write git init dot, it initializes this. Now right now you stated that it's untracked right now, okay. So we had already written there. Let's suppose we have to add this to our GitHub. So we have to git add, this is second command, git add dot means it add all the files in the GitHub repo. So we can check the git status, which file it had added by git status. So you can see on branch main, because since it is a main branch, the new file test.py was added to commit. So let's commit this message. Since commit this, since our first commit, so we can commit is like you can push the on GitHub, okay. Commit, like once it is commit, it cannot be changed. So always go to the previous stage, but cannot be changed. It's a we have to, I think we have to add our git repository. So wait a minute. . So we created that get so we created a new repository. So first we have to, if you want to push this into GitHub, we have to add git remote, add a, have to put the remote address of our GitHub. Okay, our GitHub repository. This is our remote address. Then we have to push git push. Then it will happen. See, this happened quietly. Okay, you can see that on that. You can refresh it and see. You can see the print hello part. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.